What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We coming to you a little different. We got Nick behind the camera. What's up, Nick? Say what up.
What's up, guys?
What's up? So I know, right? We haven't seen this machine in a little while since our Tennessee trip, right? So we are out here at Oaks ORV Park, and we're doing something cool today. So they got a Yamaha demo day, so we can't take the video in the machine. Unfortunately, they don't allow videos, but we're gonna take some Rmaxes, some 2-seaters, some 4-seaters. They got some new machines, and they want to kind of have people test them out, demo them out. So I think that'd be pretty cool, right? So, and then after we're gonna we got the Turbo S, we got the Rzrs. Hey, say hi, guys.
How you doing?
Hello, hello. So yeah, we're gonna have a good time. Oaks ORV Park, right in here in Holly, Michigan, and we're gonna have some good time. So we'll see you in a minute. What's up, guys? Welcome back here in the Turbo S. Got Nick here. What's up, guys? Who you? About to just send it right away. All right. Yeah, so we just rode the Yamahas, and they were fun, but they're in a Turbo S, I can tell you. Did that get sketched for a second?
For a second, I felt like I was going off to the side. So
Yeah, it definitely looked like it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I just figured I'd better off to send
Those tires aren't that predictable. I say that.
No, I give those tires an E for traction rating.
E rating, and that's not for towing either. Little flex action. These things can get up there, all right? Feel good up there? I know you're not that. I know you're not that high, but you know.
Tipsy,
He said a little tipsy, and he didn't have anything to drink. You guys feeling good? All right, let's keep rolling.
Let's go.
All right, folks, there you guys have it. Holly Oaks ORV Park. Such a great time. Big shout out to Yamaha for allowing us to take the vehicles out. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any footage, which was kind of the point of making the video. But we got to test out the Rmax, the 4-seater. I drove the 4-seater. Nick and John Jr., John Sr., they drove the 2-seaters. And I mean, these things perform super well. Now, I don't know personally, you know, I don't know. I gotta really test that out because I mean, you're a little limited with the suspension and everything, but super plush. I'd say, I mean, definitely, I'd say a 9 out of 10. I'm not like, coming from an X3. And if you guys haven't noticed, the X3 is gone, unfortunately. I did sell her. So you guys will see some future side-by-side content. That's why you haven't seen us. So still subscribe, still support us, and we appreciate it. We got different videos coming, and we're just still adventuring the great outdoors. So thank you guys for watching once again. We're just enjoying Holly Oaks once again, right here in Holly, Michigan. And remember, guys, wherever you are, wherever city or town you're in, your next venture is just one step away. We'll see you next time, guys.